Okay, we are in beautiful downtown Bani. Yeah, let's go look. Yeah, we had to come down here, or come out here to go to Panelco Electric and take care of some business. And one thing I noticed when we were coming into town is that town hall municipal building is pretty much gone. It's like they're tearing that baby down. Now I've been in there a few times, and yeah, it was aging, but it still had some life left in it. I don't know why they tore it down. Maybe to build a bigger complex, bigger building somewhere else in the city. But yeah, another gorgeous day. We're just gonna take a little stroll through town here. I had a couple requests to do this, and I don't always get over here, but we'll you have to go to the bathroom, right?
I don't know.
Well, let's see if we can go find one somewhere. Let's go back in here. Is that a public place?
Yeah, they're doing the thing. I'm wondering if someone will know us.
Well, what? Oh, no. Anyways, we're gonna find a place to use the restroom, and then we'll come back here in a second. Okay, we're back. We just had to use the restroom for a minute, and we'll continue with our little bunny adventure, I guess. Now what, Bani? This is like the capital of Pakwan.
Yeah.
A watermelon haven here. So you want a good watermelon, you come to Bani. So anyways, we were just here a second ago, so let's keep on walking down here. Just walk down the street and we'll come back up. Okay. Yeah, whatever you want to do, hon. I'm just rolling the video. Yeah, I can't believe that town hall is all tore down. That's pretty wild.
They will put there also.
Oh, they're gonna put a new building there? Oh, really?
Maybe.
Bigger one?
Maybe bigger.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
Temporary municipio natin doon sa Palengke.
Ay, sa Palengke po.
Temporary municipal hall in
the market.
Oh.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah, Bani is a nice little place. I like it. Nice, quaint little town. Your Wally's Tambo?
Yeah.
Look at all the nice little shops here. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Swinging this camera left and right, right and left, up and down, all around. I'm just pointing and shooting, guys. That's all I'm doing. Don't know what's coming around the next corner. So I think we're getting close to the market, right? What we got down here? Every town's got to have its shit river. And this looks like theirs. Oh, cool.
The bride was there.
Oh yeah? She's on the back of a scooter? Oh yeah, I see the wedding dress. That's something different. How about that? Alright, we are now entering the market. At least I think we are. Oh yeah, most definitely. Hang on tight, folks. This is about to get real. Okay, whoever it was that requested a video of Bani, here you go. This is for you. I'm doing this just for you. Look at this. Last time we came through here, it was kind of late. Everything was pretty much closed up. Let's go inside and see what we got going on here. Ready? The foreigner with the camera. Hello. Here. Point and shoot. Look at all that.
Alamang, alamang, alamang. Alamang. Lalo na nakatuloy, wak 50 pesos lang din. Ano yung tricycle ta?
How's it going, guys? Doing good? Awesome. It's a tight squeeze back here. You gotta watch yourself. You'll be missing some toes real quick. Young ladies in their second-hand shopping. It is hot. All right, we're back in action here. I tend to separate myself from the wife when she's doing transactions with the vendors. I just walk and do video. She does all the shopping. Of course, it kind of hinders my my progress here. So I'll walk a few yards and I'll stop and I'll wait, and then she'll finish. She'll catch up to me, and then we'll walk a few more yards. I guess we're going in here. Look at this place. It's a lot bigger than what I had envisioned.
Awan, sir.
Okay, I was told to go away. My wife is doing her thing, so I guess we'll do ours, right? Yeah, that's a good sized market. It's a lot bigger inside than what it looks outside. Hello, how are you today? Hi ladies. ¿Cómo está? Yeah, this is definitely a first. Hello. It's like a maze back here. Holy buckets. Ah.
They said you're looking for a soulmate.
Oh, really? So, found one. I don't know where we're going.
I want to buy this kind of big.
There's another.
Kumata at awan ti ko dito din.
So maybe we walk down, walk all around. Hello guys. Where are you going?
Just walk around.
Oh, okay, all right. Like stop, bother. ¿Cómo está? Hello, how are you? You're on camera now. Hello. All the friendly vendors. He said, "Where are you going?" And my answer is, I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, now the wife and I are totally separated from each other. I need to go find her. What do you think? I think there's another entrance up here somewhere. Oh, barbershop, huh? Look at all this. All right. I'm going to sneak in through here. There we go, now we're back. I remember her. I remember her too. Oh, and I definitely remember this one. I'll meet you down here, hon. God, you could make a whole separate video just for this area. You come to visit Bani, definitely check this out. There's a lot of stuff going on back here. She's still way back there. All right, we'll just continue moving here. Ooh, it gets a little dark back here, huh? Check all this out, huh? There. Smile! Another, all these little aisleways. Now we're kind of back in the wet market area here. I always like the vegetable fruit market area the best. Doesn't smell quite so much. All right, so this is kind of where we came in originally, and then I just basically walked straight back. I think we rounded a corner over there, and then just kind of zigzagged through the market area. So, all right. Okay, I just got news that the vegetable is cheaper here in Bani than, I guess, what, Alaminos?
I need to buy meat.
Look at this pineapple.
Yeah, you want?
Man, that looks good. Yeah, sure, why not? If they give you the right price on it. Yep. All right. Okay, we just scored a pineapple. What was that, 60 pesos?
Yeah.
And we are standing outside of Angie's Bakery, makers of quality bread. Looks like a nice bakery. I was kind of peeking over there when she was buying the tomatoes. Yeah.
They're moving back to Alaminos already.
Who's that? Oh, okay. We better get moving then. We are off like a prom dress. We gotta go. We gotta go find us a jeepney or a bus or something to get us back to Alaminos City. Hey guys. So that's pretty much the extent of our Bani adventure. Scored a lot of vegetable and fruit. I don't even know exactly what the hell she bought, but
I bought the vegetable that they cannot eat in
oh really?
Manila.
Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. Well, maybe we can find the bus that they're on and jump on.
Yeah, I have to call them. But the thing is, I have to pack up in the hotel again. You have to cross the road now.
All right, we'll do that. Thank you. Yeah, you're carrying most of it. I just have the pineapple in my hand. And the camera. Yep, that sounds like a plan. We haven't been on a jeepney in a while. You know how much I love jeepneys. I am not being sarcastic either. I really like jeepneys. To me, that is the pinnacle of culture here in the Philippines. This country would not be the same without the jeepney. Well, let's see where this guy's going. If we can catch, can we get up to him before he? Yeah, he's going to Alaminos. If there's any room. All right, there's our Bani trip. Thanks for joining us, guys. We're gonna hop on this bad boy, hopefully, and take a ride back into Alaminos City. All right, see you later.